Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company, and today is Wednesday, November 4th, and I'm here with the most beautiful backing fabric I believe we have ever had in the store. This is running yardage, and it's called Whispering Pines by Northcott. So this is the actual bolt. This is what the piece looks like. This is 108 inches top to bottom, and this is a 90-inch wide cut. So this would be appropriately sized for a queen size quilt. Many of us in the shop think it would be a beautiful quilt as is, not as a backing. So you could always elect to choose a solid backing or maybe a cuddle backing to put on this and then just have it quilted and you're done. So this is, again, very beautiful yardage. It's going to go quickly. So if you're interested in this and you want to look it up online, it's called Whispering Pines by Northcott Fabric. We have a few other pretties that I wanted to show you over here. So just come on over with me. We have some of our embroidery kits back in the shop from Cozyblue Handmade. If you want to come right over here, you can just look right down on them. This is a new one for us. These kits are nice because they have everything you need in them to create. So they come with the piece of fabric that has everything traced on it. They come with the hoop. They come with the embroidery floss and needles. So it's a nice little gift to give to someone because it's completely all-inclusive. Everything you need except for a pair of scissors is going to be right there for you. So nice ideas for holidays or Christmas. Then we also just gotten in these beautiful, I think they call them, they aren't called jelly rolls because every place is different. These are called spindle strip sets, I believe. Anyway, they're by Jinny Beyer and they're batiks by RJR. And I want you to zoom in and just check out the pretty colors in these 40-piece, 2.5-inch strip batik collections. Those are just delicious. And we have two more colorways to share with you. That's kind of a jungle and nighttime. And then here's another one of those. Pretty. So these are now new in the shop. They're called Malam Batiks by Jinny Beyer for RJR Fabrics. So you can find those under our pre-cuts link. You can find the kits under our kits link. And then you can find this lovely piece of fabric under our backing link. So if you have any questions or want for more information about anything, feel free to give us a call at the shop. We're here Monday through Friday, 10 to 5 Eastern, and 1 to 5 Eastern on Sundays. We hope to see you in the shop, online, or curbside soon. Have a great weekend. Or I'm sorry, weekend. It's Wednesday. Have a great afternoon. Bye.